In a major diplomatic twist, the United States, the United Kingdom and France blocked a Pakistan-China-backed bid at the United Nations to sanction the Balochistan Liberation Army and the Majid Brigade. The two groups had been proposed for designation under the UN's 1267 Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee after Washington listed them as foreign terrorist organizations. Pakistan joined hands with China and pushed the proposal as part of its long-standing claim that the BLA is backed by India. Islamabad's decision followed after Washington designated the Resistance Front blamed for the Pahalgam attack as a Lashkar-e-Taiba-linked group. The three nations rejected the proposal, citing lack of evidence linking the BLA and the Majid Brigade to Al-Qaeda or Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant, which is required for listing groups under Resolution 1267. The 1267 regime, created back in 1999, imposed sanctions such as travel bans, asset freezes and arms embargoes on groups associated with Al-Qaeda, the Taliban and ISIL. The development comes amid the backdrop of strained US-India relationship over Russian crude oil, and is also seen as a mirror response to China's repeated moves to block or delay India-US efforts to sanction Pakistan-based outfits like Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. The setback is a big blow to both Pakistan and China, as the BLA has repeatedly targeted Chinese development projects in Pakistan. The proposal is now stalled for 6 months before it can be reconsidered. So while the US, UK and France stood united, Russia has yet to announce its position. With Neha Kumari, Bureau Report, India Today.